Okay guys, so this is how to make a custom icon for Snapchat and any other app. It really does not matter. Go to Google, search whatever icon you want, or whatever picture you want on that app. Pinch it together, do that, and then crop it. It does not matter how you crop it, just try to crop it the best. Save the photos. Okay, now go to Photoshop Mix, add image, here, go to here, and then you want to press cut out, and then add. Now I'm just going to add all this. Okay, check. Camera roll, add the camera roll there. Okay, now you go to shortcuts, add shortcut. No, that's not wrong. That's the wrong thing. Okay, open, press, okay, type in open, then open out, then type in Snapchat. Okay, and then go to this 3 buttons, add to home screen, shortcut 1, Snapchat. Okay, now you go to here, choose photo, all photos, there we go. Zoom in to your desired amount, and then that should be good. There we go, perfect, add. And then here's your icon. There you go. Yep.